Hello friends, have you ever cleaned your entire house? The floor is spotless, the furniture is dust free, everything smells fresh, but somehow your home still doesn't feel clean. It still feels busy, it still feels stressful. If you have ever experienced this, you are not alone. Because the biggest reason a house feels messy is often not dirt, it's design. Today, I will show you 7 common design mistakes that secretly make your home look cluttered even when it's perfectly clean. And the best part, most of these can be fixed without spending a lot of money. So let us begin. Everything doesn't have a permanent home. This is the biggest reason homes always look untidy. Think about your TV remote, your keys, your wallet, phone chargers, shopping bags, water bottles. Where do they usually end up? On the dining table, the sofa, the kitchen counter, a chair, or wherever you last used them. These small things may not look like a problem individually, but together they create constant visual clutter. When an item doesn't have a fixed place, your entire house becomes its temporary storage. That's why your home never looks fully organized. A simple solution is to create a dedicated spot for frequently used items. A small tray near the entrance, a charging station, a basket for remotes. Teeny changes like these make a surprisingly big difference. Too many things are always visible. Many people believe open shelves make a home look stylish. Sometimes they do, but only when they are carefully designed. In real homes, open shelves usually become a storage for everything: books, decor, medicine boxes, cables, random souvenirs. Even perfectly arranged shelves still create visual noise because your eyes keep processing every object. Your brain never gets a chance to relax. That's why hotels, luxury apartments, and professionally designed homes often use more closed storage than open storage. Hidden storage doesn't reduce your belongings, it simply hides visual distraction. The furniture doesn't match the room size. Many people think buying a bigger sofa makes the living room look luxurious. Not always. If the sofa is too large, walking space becomes too tight. The room starts feeling crowded. On the other hand, furniture that is too small can make the room feel disconnected and unfinished. Good interior design is all about proportion. Your furniture should have enough walking space while still filling the room comfortably. As a simple guideline, try to keep clear walking paths instead of filling every corner with furniture. An open pathway instantly makes any room feel larger. Too many colors, materials, and patterns. This is one mistake people don't notice. One wall is blue, the curtains are floral, the sofa is grey, the rug has bold patterns, the coffee table has a dark wood finish, the TV unit has a glossy white finish. Individually, every item may look beautiful, but together, nothing feels connected. Your eyes keep jumping from one color to another. The result is a room that feels busy instead of peaceful. You don't need everything to match perfectly, but repeating the same colors and materials throughout the room creates harmony. This is one of the easiest ways to make any home feel expensive. Every surface becomes storage. Look around your home. Is your dining table actually used for dining, or is it holding bills, shopping bags, helmets, water bottles, and random items? The same thing happens with kitchen counters beside tables and TV units. When every flat surface is occupied, the room instantly looks cluttered. Professional interior designers intentionally leave some empty space. Empty space is not wasted space. It gives your eyes somewhere to rest and makes the room feel cleaner without removing everything. Lighting can make a clean house look untidy. This is something many people overlook. Poor lighting creates dark corners where shadows make the room appear messy. Even a perfectly clean room can feel dull. Instead of relying on just one ceiling light, use multiple light sources whenever possible. Warm lighting in living rooms and bedrooms usually creates a calmer atmosphere. Natural daylight also makes every room feel brighter and more spacious. Sometimes improving lighting changes the entire feeling of the house without buying any new furniture. There is no overall plan. This is the biggest design mistake. People buy furniture whenever they like something. They change curtain colors after a few years. Later, they replace the TV unit. Then add new decor. Every purchase makes sense by itself. But together, the house starts looking like a collection of random items instead of one complete design. Well designed homes don't necessarily use expensive furniture. They simply follow one consistent style. Before buying anything new, ask yourself one question. Will this match everything I already have? That single question can save you money and prevent unnecessary clutter. Here is something interesting. Minimalism doesn't mean owning fewer things. It means every item has a purpose and a proper place. A family home can have plenty of furniture, decorations, and storage while still feeling calm and spacious. Because good design is not about removing things, it is about removing confusion. If your home feels messy even after cleaning, chances are the problem is not your cleaning routine. It's your layout, your storage, your furniture choices, and the way everything works together. Fix these small things, and your entire house can feel cleaner, bigger, and more peaceful without spending a fortune. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 mistakes do you think is making your own home feel cluttered right now? Or do you know another mistake that most people ignore? Write it in the comments.